Hey y'all, I'm Allison Walker with Randolph County 4-H. So today we will be making different snacks and lunches that are kid friendly, so kids can either make these recipes by themselves or with minimal supervision from parents. We think these will be perfect for students to make at home on virtual learning days, or just for a simple quick snack after school. So today our recipe is cheesy quesadillas. We will be using tortillas, salsa, and Mexican cheese. If you have chicken or beef or something like that, of course you can mix those in, but I'm thinking these might be a good snack, so we will just go ahead and do the Mexican cheese and salsa. So we'll just scoop out some cheese. It all depends on how many you're making. I'm just gonna make 2 for the video purposes, but we'll just scoop out some cheese here in this bowl. I will post the recipe in the post and you can tweak it for your purposes. So we've got our cheese here, and I will add in some salsa. And then we'll just mix this together. Once you have it good and mixed, we'll go ahead and put our tortillas on a cookie sheet. Here in the office, we're almost out of tin foil, so we'll just use what we have for now. I'm all about easy cleanup. So we will just use 2 tortillas here. And then spoon out the salsa and cheese mixture. Spread it flat on one side of your tortilla. And then press the other side. Make it firm here. And these are ready to go in the oven. I have the oven preheating, but we're just gonna broil it for 3 minutes and then flip it and broil the other side. So these are easy cheese quesadillas. Stay tuned for the finished product. Okay, so our easy cheese quesadillas are finished. We broiled them on each side for 3 minutes for a total of 6 minutes in the oven. So now I'm gonna cut them. You can cut them in whatever size. These are perfect to put out on a plate for your kids, or if your kids made them, they can serve them with chips and salsa, whatever they wanna do. So we'll go ahead and cut this. Like I said, whatever size you wanna cut them. You might have a little mess, but messy is always a good thing. And there you have it, easy cheese quesadillas. Let's see how they taste. They've been cooling for a little while, so let's take a bite. These taste pretty good. Thanks for watching.